So here we can see the file is available on /u01 location only, and in Aura data overseer there is no test1 file. So from
That's
the
right.
see, Oracle has introduced to move the data files from one location to another location without downtime. So without downtime, we have the only one command. There is no need to go to the OS level and then copy the file directly. You need to give the command alter database move data file. Okay, move data file from their location to from their location to new location. From their location to new location. Okay.
Yeah.
So just we need to give the move command, alter database, move data file. Before that, what we are doing for rename, we need to give the alter database rename file only. And here we are giving the move data file. Okay. So we need to run this command. And here it will take some time to move the data file from one location to another location. Also, if you execute on the production level, if suppose the data file size will be bigger than the our size, like this is the our just training purpose, okay? And the production are in the company environment, the file size it should be 10 GB or 20 GB. It maybe it will be a 30 GB, 32 GB.
Yes.
Right. So when you execute the move command, then on that time it will take some time to move a data file from one location to another location. Means like it internally moving a file from one location to another location. Means it's copying the file from older location and pasting to the new location. So it will take time to move a data file. The file size, if suppose the file size is having the big size, means like having the big size, so it will take time. So now what we will do, we will check the old location first. So here if we check, there is no file available.
That's right.
Right. And now what we will do, we will check to the new location. So if here we are executing, so it will give you the test file. Here is the test file.
Yeah.
Test1.db.
Yeah, bottom second one, right?
Yeah.
Test.db.
There is no test1.dbf file. Now here the test1.dbf is available. And also on OS level on the older location, there is no test1.dbf. It means it's completely moving a file from one location to new location. Okay. And after once you remove, then you don't need to take the table space offline, or you don't need to take the data file offline or table space offline or database offline. Okay. Directly when our database is up and running, so we did it directly. Your database is up and run, we just given the command move command, alter database move data file from old location to new location, and directly
New
it
location.
moves the file from the old location to new location. And on the old location, you can check there is no file will be available. If you move that file, it means that file will not be available on the old location. It directly move to the new location. Okay.
Yes, right.
So this is the means like three things we can use to move a file from the old location to new location. Okay. And also you can check here as we check the test1.dbf file was available on /u01. Okay.
Yeah.
If here we check, here you can check your test1.dbf is available on the new location.
New location. Okay, got it.
Okay. So this is the three things to use.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, to use to move a data file from one location to another location.
Okay.
Okay. So table
Yeah.
space management is done from for now. Okay. So these are
I,
which we use on the like production database, like how to create a table space, how to add data files in the table space if required, how to resize, how to extend their files, how to apply the max things, means like max size, how to drop the data file without including content and data file, how to drop a data file using the content and data file, and how to move a data file without downtime and with downtime.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. What you were asking?
In the first case, you are giving after alter table space, the
Hmm.
data file, you given alter database open, open like.
Hmm.
So previously it is a mount state, it is not in read and write mode, right? That's why we given database, alter database mount, right? Sorry, open.
Open, yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay, understood. Because
Because
we are first case we are done database down and
yeah,
we done this activity.
yeah,
And next second case we are down the table space and we done the activity.
yeah.
In third case,
We just take the table space offline. Okay.
yeah,
So database
yes,
is not reading or not anything inserting in that table space, because table space status is offline. So we
yes,
can't
yes, right.
do anything. Okay. And database is up and running, but
Yeah,
we can't like insert or delete or anything. We cannot perform anything on that table space
yeah,
because
got it.
table space status is offline. So during that, we have copied their data file from one location to new location. Okay. And then we rename that data file, and then we take the table space offline.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Okay. And the third scenario, we don't need the downtime directly. Our database is up and running. Your table space status is online. So we just give a command, alter database, move data file from old location to new location, and it will directly move that data file from the old location to new location.
Yeah, got it.
No need the downtime. So these are the three scenarios. Okay, two is for the downtime only, and the third one is no need the downtime. So why I told you all three? Because some of the company or some of the organization is still using the 10G or 11G database.
Okay, got it.
So you should know that if I am going to do that, which version. So if suppose I am going to move a data file in 10G or 11G, so you should know the first and second scenario, how I can move a data file in this version. And after 12C, if you are getting like you are going to move a data file in Oracle 12C or means like above 12C version. So
Yeah, got it.
we'll use this command, move data file. No need the downtime. So you should know the both scenario. Like
Got
in
it.
12G, 11G, how I can do, and from the 12C to new version, how I can do. So you should know the
Yeah,
all scenarios. Okay. So these are
got
the
it.
scenarios to move a data file from old location to new location. Okay.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Good. this one, and yes. And now what I will do, we will create a now I will start a schema, user management. Okay.
Okay.
So how to create a user, how to create a profile, and how to assign the profile to the user. Okay. And how to create a user with, like, suppose I am going to create a user, and we will keep this table space default, and this one is the temporary table space for that schema. So I
Okay.
will tell you how we create it on production. Okay. Firstly, I will tell you create user, and username, suppose I am giving SFMS, right? Or
Yeah.
anything you can give, like it's like user one. Okay.
Okay.
User one identified by user one only. So this is the password. After identified,
Okay. Got it.
by, it means this is the username and this is the password. So you can keep the password, whatever you want, you can keep anything. Okay.
Yeah.
I am just giving for my understanding. Yeah, this is the user and this is their password. So that's why I am giving uh, the password user one. Okay.
Got it.
So now
Yeah.
we have created a user. Okay. So we have just
Yeah.
created. We did not assign anything. We did not permission anything. So if you want to connect to that user, na, you will not be able to connect. Suppose
Okay.
you are giving user one slash user one. Okay. And you try to connect to that user. So it will give the error. Why? Because we did not give the connect, the resource, anything. We did not give anything to that user.
Yeah. So the user don't have any privileges like connect to database like this,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yes. Connect, resource, means whatever the permission. Suppose you want to give the select only or insert only. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
in resource, if we will give the resource, it means we are giving the complete permission. Not complete means DDL and DML permission to the user, like
Yeah.
create, insert,
Understand.
update, delete. So if we will
Yeah.
give
Yeah.
resource, it means we are giving the whatever the resources for a normal user. Okay,
Yeah.
so we are assigning those permission to the user. So like
Got
select
it.
set lines 100. Okay. Now we are going to give select username account underscore status default table space temporary table space from DBA underscore users. Okay.
Okay.
Here it will give you the complete information about that user.
That's sir. Okay.
Okay. Here you can see these are the default users. Okay. You can see on the top of the command here, you can see sys and system is open, and the default table space is system table space, and temporary is temp. So these
Okay.
are the default table spaces. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And here we have created a user. Okay. So here we have created this user. User
Yes,
one
sir.
account is open. Okay.
Yeah.
Users and the temporary is temp. Okay. So
Okay.
we are creating this user. So we have just created the account is open. Okay. If suppose
Okay.
client is come to you and he is saying like user one means like this is the user and we don't need this user. So currently their account is open. So you need to lock this user for 30 days, and after 30 days you can drop. Okay. So what you will do?
Okay.
You will just keep the account lock by using alter user and give the user
Okay.
name, user one. Okay.
Yeah.
Account lock.
Okay.
Okay. So now account is locked for that user. So what we will do? We will again execute this command. Okay. And here we can see the user account before that it was opened. Now it locked.
Yeah, it's locked.
And sometime what happens? Some of the user got locked. Means like someone is trying to connect to the database. They tried one time, two times, three times. Okay. And then after
Yeah.
account is locked for that user. So how you will unlock? Just give the same command alter user
Yeah.
username
User one.
account unlock. Okay. So you
Yeah,
just
got it.
give the same command, and then again give the this command. And here you can check user account is open. Now account is open. Okay.
Yeah. It's
So how
open.
to lock and unlock the user? Same thing. You can give the expired by using alter user username account expire.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the thing how to like lock or unlock. So sometimes means like you got the ticket. Like I was trying to connect to the database, and I like attempted to give the pass 3 times. I have attempted to give the wrong password, and account now it's showing the account is locked. So can you open that account status? So easily you just give the command alter user username account unlock. So the account
Yeah.
status is open. Okay.
Okay.
But the default table space is this. So what we will do, we will change the default table space by using alter user username default table space test01, right? The table space name is
Ah, yes.
test01. Default table space name, and now alter. So what we will do? Again, we will check the now here you can see the default table space has been changed. Before that it was users, now it test01
Yeah.
for user one. Okay. And also the same command you can use to Like if you are having a temporary table space, so you can give the temporary table space by using alter user username temporary table space and give the temporary table space name. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So by using
Yeah,
same command, you can change the temporary. And now
okay.
you can see that default table space is test01 and user in this. But currently we have just created the user. We did not give any permission to the user. Okay. So now
Okay.
I am giving permission to user grant connect. Connect means we are giving permission to the user to connect, means now the user will be able to connect. Before that, as I shown you, like it was not means like it was unable to connect. But now when we
Yeah,
give the connect, so means we are allowing to the user to connect to the database.
okay. Connect to database by data.
Yeah, connect to database.
Okay,
Okay. We are just giving the permission connect, and second one is resource. Okay.
okay,
And if you want to give the DBA, then also you can give the DBA. If
okay,
client is saying like also you need to give the DBA permission to that user. So then you need to use the DBA one. Okay.
okay,
Either you don't use the DBA.
okay. So
Just
DBA means what are the we have that as a
here we
DBA we
have
have
the
the permissions
permission.
now.
Yeah, whatever the thing we can perform by using DBA. Okay. So we
Okay.
can perform by using this user also.
Acha,
So
acha, okay, got it.
if requirement for that schema, like we need the DBA permission, then you need to give. Either if
Okay,
client is not saying to give the DBA, then you just give the connect and resource.
okay. What is the resource by resource?
Resource means ki DDL and DML permission.
Acha, acha, okay, got it.
All the like connect, create, insert, update, delete. So we are
Yeah,
allowed
got it.
to the
Yeah,
user
yeah.
to create, insert, perform the create, insert. Sometimes client is saying ki like I will show you later. Ki,
Okay. Actually, in our organization, we are giving there's a grant insert execute and select. We are giving
yes, yes.
update. Yeah. Okay.
So now we have given the permission. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Connect
Yeah,
resource to
got it.
now we will try to connect to that user one slash user one. Here you can see we have connected to the user. Here you can
That's
see
right.
connected to the user. Now we can create table T1 ID number. Okay. So we have created a table. We can insert the data inside the table. Insert uh, into T1 value. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
101. Okay. So we need to give the privilege on the table space to the user because we have assigned table space. So we need to give the quota unlimited. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we need to connect to.
What is it? Hmm.
This is the 6. So what we will do, we will alter user username quota unlimited on Now
Yes, bhai.
again we need to connect to the user. So we have connected, and then we need to try to insert the data. Okay.
Yes.
Now
Yeah.
we're able to insert the data.
Okay. So can you please explain like again you connected to the SysDB, na?
To see TBA,
First we given insert query giving an error like privilege error, and then again we are connected as a SysDBA, and
and I have given the permission on the table space.
okay with the sys user, right?
No, yeah. By using sys user, here you can see I have
Yeah.
connected to sys user, and then I
Okay.
have given the permission to the user, one user on
Okay.
table space,
Okay. Got it.
quota unlimited on the table space. So I have
Okay.
given permission to the user. Okay, quota unlimited on the table space.
Okay. So this sys user has high privilege. I
Yeah, this is the
what we call
super user, na?
supreme. So that's why you given
Yeah,
permissions to the user. Okay.
yeah. If you want to do like user creation, user drop, okay, and
Okay.
if you want to lock or unlock the user, so you need to connect to the sys user, sys DBA only, because you are a DBA. As a DBA, you
Yeah.
need to connect to the sys DBA only, and whatever the, like things you want to perform, you can perform. Okay.
Yeah. And you know what is the presence of this quota you given to your TA?
Sorry.
Alter user one QA quota means it will give full permissions, like
Yes, I have
all
given
all permissions.
quota on the table space. Means
Okay, okay,
before that user did not have the like quota in the sense the table space will not allow you to insert the data inside the table space because user did not have the permission to
okay, got
occupy
it.
the space in the table space. Okay.
Okay,
When
okay,
the quota unlimited, it means we are allowing to the user to insert the unlimited data in the
okay, got
this
it.
table space.
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Select star from keyword.
Okay.
So this is the data. Means like we are able to connect to the user and we are able to insert the data.
Yes, right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the thing, like how we can create, how we can perform. So by using this, we can perform and create the table space. We can create the users. Okay. So
Okay.
this is the thing. So today it's around 9:30.
Yes.
So I need to stop the session. Just a
Okay.